Many people believe or assume that if they pay a collection, then that will fix their credit. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Once you pay a collection, it will show as a paid collection on your credit report, but it still impacts the payment history category. A collection is a negative account. It is an account that shows that you did not pay something on time. Whether it shows the collection is paid or not, that negative information is still on your report, and you're not going to see an improvement in your credit score for making the payment. All that's going to happen is that history is still on your credit report. So it's important, if you are going to pay a collection and it has been proven that it's a valid collection, see if you can negotiate a payment in exchange for that collection company deleting that account from your credit report. Always make sure you get this in writing. You never want to take the word of someone over the phone, because now you have no evidence. Now you have no proof. Let's say you go and you pay it and they don't remove it. Well, now it's just a he said, she said situation, and it's likely going to stay on your credit report.